Hi, so today I'm going to talk to you about completing a links table. So I have an example of a links table here on the screen, and yours might look a little bit different, but it has all the same pieces and parts, so it still works, even if it doesn't look exactly the same. So there's 5 sections to a links table. The first section is the actual vocabulary word. So in our case, if I told you you were doing these for the terms living, non-living, dead, and dormant, you would put one of them here under vocabulary word, say living. Then in the next section, you could do non-living. Then you could do dead in the next section and dormant in the last. And that applies for any terms that we might be using. The second section is called the reminding word. This could actually be a reminding word or phrase. It depends on what helps you remember what the term means. So it's basically something that helps remind you of what the actual vocabulary word means. Maybe it's an example of that vocabulary word. Maybe it's a synonym. Maybe it's an antonym. Maybe it's something that sounds similar. This is basically up to you. It depends on how you are helped to remember what the term means. The third section is the definition section, and that's pretty straightforward. You can write the definition word for word in there, or you can write it in your own words. Just be sure that you check and make sure your definition is accurate if you're writing it in your own words. The fourth section is called the linking story, and it actually doesn't have to be a story. It could be more like a sentence or two. And this is basically taking your vocabulary word and using it in a sentence. Something to help describe what the word means. You don't want to just say, I'm using the word living in a sentence or something like that. You want to actually apply it to a scenario in your linking story. And the last section is the picture. When we do these links tables online, you're going to find a picture of something, either maybe an example of what the word means or something related to your word, and put your picture, paste it into the box for your picture. And that is your linking table. So if you have any questions about links table as you go, feel free to ask, but that's a general description, and hopefully that'll help you out when you're completing yours. Good luck.